What is going on, y'all? Matthew here, back with another one. So today, I actually want to do a very special kind of video that I've never done before. But today we're gonna be looking at my Hustler X1 60-inch zero turn with the I don't know how you pronounce it, the Kawasaki engine. This lawnmower puts out 27 horsepower. The highest setting it can go on the deck is 5.5 inches, so it has a pretty high setting. I know it's a little filthy. We had to cut grass today. We had to cut some very tall grass today, so that's why it's all over the dumb Hustler sign. Because it was touching the Hustler sign before, it eventually got ran over by the lawnmower. Awesome lawnmower. It has the bar on the top right here, so you can raise it up. Really, people don't know what it actually is for. It's actually for two things. I think it's for. The main thing I think it's for is in case if you want to heal. In case if you want to heal and your lawnmower might tip over, that bar, and if you have that bar sticking up, it would hit that bar, and so the weight of the lawnmower won't crush on you. So and another thing is for like low limbs, it will hit the limbs before it even hits you. So when it pushes the limbs forward, you're already under the limb, and you already, so it won't come back and hit you in the face. But we don't have it kind of down because, when we're driving, when it be on the trailer and we'll be going to, our next yard, sometimes it might get in the way, or sometimes a power line might be hanging too low. So we want to keep that kind of down as much as possible. It goes around 11, 12 miles an hour. It's a pretty fast lawnmower. We don't go 11, 12 miles an hour on very tall grass, Obviously we don't, but yeah, it has two dual tanks. Each tank holds 6 gallons of gas, so it has a 12-gallon tank in total, but just separate tanks, whatever. Another cool feature I like about it is it has a little switch on the side to where if you turn it left, it will only use the left gas tank. If you turn it right, it will use the right gas tank. And if you turn it in the middle, it will use both gas tanks. Now, just because you use both gas tanks doesn't mean it's going to have more power. It's still going to be 27 horsepower. Obviously, the common stuff, the key, I think it's starting to rain. The key, the PTO switch, the throttle, the choke, the hours, the tanks on both sides. You got the two black right here. You got that one. You got that one. The cover for your PTO belt. Your drive belt is somewhere in the back. Under the engine, your drive belt, lets the motor go. It has, I don't know the front tires because they cover up with grass, but I can tell you the back. Let me see. It has around, so like I said, I can't tell you right now because both tires are filled up with grass, and I can't tell you like the size of it, but you can obviously go on the website, on the Hustler website, and go to Hustler X1, and it will tell you everything about it. It'll tell you the price, if you look at it, whatever. Our price, obviously the prices are different because in different states. So like here compared to like California, I don't know. I'm just taking like a wild guess. We got ours for like $13,500. Um, but like California, theirs might be like $15,000, $16,000 because everybody makes so much more money over there. Um, but uh, but yeah. Oh yeah, this is the most important part about it. It has a suspension seat, as y'all can tell right here. This little knot right there, that adjusts your suspension. So they go by how much you weigh. So right now it's set to 280. So legit anybody can sit on it, and it won't, do whatever. Basically what the suspension seat does is, if you riding, if you mowing a yard and you hit a bump, it's supposed to lift you up while everything else goes down, so you won't be able to feel the bump. But see, I don't weigh 280. I weigh 239. So it's going to kind of bounce me around because it's set to a higher position. But if I would set it down to like 240, I wouldn't be able to feel it. But yeah, that's the best thing about it. It got an air suspension seat, so you ain't hurting your butt as we all know them old-fashioned lawnmowers. You hit like the smallest of bump, and like your butt is dumb sore. So yeah, that's what I like about it. Yeah, that's basically about it right there. I have a few more lawnmowers I want to go over. We have but it's gonna be another video. I'm just gonna tell y'all. We have a Hustler. What is it called? It's a Hustler. But it's a 54-inch cut. It's our smaller lawnmower. And we also have a Toro Time Cutter 42-inch mower. That one's actually in the shop. You gotta go get it, but we also have that one. And yeah, I'm gonna go over our trailers, our dump trailers, whatever, our chainsaws, our weeders, our blowers. It's just gonna be like a series. And then sooner or later, I will be going to a car dealership, car/truck dealership, and I will be doing some review over the 2500s and the 3500s of 2026. Because 2025 trucks are about to be gone. But 2026, leading into 2027, I'll be doing them. So it's gonna be a crazy series. So I'm gonna try to do one. I'm gonna try to do my other Hustler tomorrow. And then Friday, I have a dentist appointment. So I don't know if I'm gonna be talking Friday. So tomorrow might be my final video of the week. I don't know. Saturday, I may do one Saturday because my mouth should be doing okay. But Saturday, I might be doing another one on, our blowers or our chainsaws or our weed eaters, one of them. But y'all just stay tuned. And yeah, I just can't wait for what's about to come, to my channel. I know I haven't been posting in a long time, but I made a commitment to myself that I was gonna stay more consistent at these videos, and that's what I've been doing. I posted, I think like 5-6 videos in the past 2 days, so I'm doing pretty good. Oh yeah, another thing to this mower. I'm just so happy just to look at it. But, for all the beginner riders, if I'm a beginner landscaper, I will not start out with nothing this big, cause this is a 1,300-pound lawnmower. It's probably 1,400 pounds when both tanks are full. It's probably 1,400 pounds. But this is something for not the beginners, but like in the middle. So like it's in between beginner and professional. So it's like You know, you kind of know what you're doing, but at the same time, you still kind of new to the game. It comes with a built-in seatbelt. So, seatbelt and the buckle is on the other side. So that's another thing that I like about it. Oh yeah, I really don't gotta show y'all that because y'all already know it. But it comes with 2 UPS ports, so you can charge your phone, your headphones, you know, do whatever right there on the side. Obviously, it works when it's on. So yeah, that was 2 things that I'm just so happy just to look at when I was looking back at it. But yeah, guys. So that's gonna conclude this video. I'm gonna hurry up and get inside the house because these mosquitoes is tearing my legs up right now. And I will catch you guys on the next one.